Welcome to Saints and Wisdom, the channel where we explore timeless lessons from the lives of the saints and the treasures of faith. Who is a saint? The word inspires awe, yet many wonder what it truly means. Are saints distant figures in stained glass windows, or could they be closer to us than we think? The truth is, saints were not flawless superheroes. They were ordinary people, teachers, parents, workers, friends, who allowed God's grace to transform them into extraordinary witnesses of faith. They faced struggles, doubts, temptations, just like us. Yet in those moments, they chose God again and again. In Christian tradition, a saint is someone recognized for living a holy life, filled with faith, love, and service. They show us what faith looks like in action. Saints matter because they remind us that holiness is not a theory, it is a way of life. And it is possible for everyone. Take Augustine. He lived a restless life, chasing pleasure and success, but still felt empty. In his Confessions, he wrote, "Our hearts are restless until they rest in you, O Lord." That single line has inspired millions. His story shows us that no one is beyond God's grace. If Augustine could change, so can we. Then there's Francis. Born into wealth, he gave it all up for a life of simplicity. He saw God's beauty in creation, in the sun, the birds, even in suffering. Francis teaches us that joy doesn't come from possessions, but from living with humility and gratitude. In more recent times, Mother Teresa walked the streets of Calcutta, lifting the dying from gutters, showing them dignity and love. She said, "Not all of us can do great things, but we can do small things with great love." Her life reminds us that holiness is not about doing everything, but about loving deeply in whatever we do. Even today, saints are recognized in our lifetime, men and women who lived ordinary lives with extraordinary faith. Some were parents, doctors, missionaries, workers. They show us holiness is possible in every generation. Saints matter because they are living proof that faith transforms. They intercede for us, guide us, and inspire us to see beyond fear into love. They show us that the path to holiness is not reserved for the few. It is open to all. So, who is a saint? They are ordinary people transformed by extraordinary grace. And maybe, with God's help, we too are called to become saints in our own way. If you found this inspiring, subscribe to Saints and Wisdom for more stories of faith and timeless lessons for today. Together, let's learn from the saints and walk the path of wisdom.